Alright, as the final bit to our salsa, we're going to take some hot sauce, and I'm using that instead of cayenne because it has a sweeter flavor and the temperature is easier to regulate. Add about 3 teaspoons of the hot sauce. I'm going to stir that in so it's incorporated. And you can tell when it's fully incorporated because your corn should turn a slight red color. Alright, we're going to let that sit and we're going to go ahead and get ready to make our stock. So we're going to cut the end off of an onion, and then we're going to cut a thin ring. I'm going to take the outer layer off and discard, and then we're going to just dice it up. And then we're going to do the same with our garlic.